Okay, what skills are developed in the family? So we have few skills, which basically I said that these are the basic fundamental values which you learn at family in the self. So the first one is discipline. Okay, discipline is first quality. Your first required skill is to be disciplined and dedicated towards the family members. Either it may be towards your better half or siblings or offspring. Develop to be dedicated and bonded with love and affection. Discipline. Discipline here is not like a like a classroom discipline or a military discipline, but discipline is being honest towards your family members. That is being dedicated, being honest, honest to your, either it may be your better halves. Okay, being a husband towards your wife or being a wife towards your husband, to your parents, okay, and to your offsprings, to your relation. So being honest to being faithful to everyone. So discipline is a process of training people to obey rules, or in a simple way it is, we can call it as a code of behavior. You can say it as a code of behavior, or it is like training people to obey some rules. See, we have some rules that for eating we have some rules, for cleaning we have some rules, for speaking we have some rules. So these all are, when you teach everything, when you follow, obviously your children also follows. Okay, so to be to follow all this, to obeying all these family rules, obeying all these basic rules, that is a code of behavior. We can say it as like a code of behavior. So this is the discipline which you learn at family itself. When you have discipline, it ultimately means you are self-controlled. It means that you are self-controlled. Okay, you have I was being saying that self-controlling power. So when you are disciplined, it means the ultimate is you are self-controlled. So in this regards, children need elderly guidance in learning how to behave. Okay, so obviously always children need the parental guidance, elderly guidance, how to behave. Okay, and how to be disciplined. Okay, how to be disciplined, what are the rules, okay, what is the behavior skills, communication skills, all these basic skills are learned at family itself, from the elderly guidance, from the parents and elders. And supervision change with the age of the child. Okay, and this elderly supervision, it changes with the change of child also. When the child is very young, your supervision should be in such a way with that should suits to the age of the child. Okay, it doesn't mean that a very early stage of child should be like a full controlled power, controlled person. Okay, so gradually the child learns everything. So that's why the supervision should be according to the stage of the child. Okay, and behavioral skills, communication skills, self development skills. So like this we have many skills. Okay, emotional skills, all the skills uh, which are in the from the beginning of the stage. So all these skills are learned from the family itself only, all are developed basically at family only. And moreover, problem solving skills, okay, controlling skills, self regulations, self controlling, motivational skills, okay, and encouragement skills. So all these skills, these are all are developed from the family only. Okay, so the next one is time allocation. Time allocation, it's not the time management, it is time allocation. Time management is different from time allocation. So this is a busy world. Every person here is piled with reckless work, but being a responsible family member, allocate a part of your valuable time for the family. This reflects your care towards your family. See, I think nothing much there is to describe here. So being in the one of the member in this busy world. Okay, we all are like a busy bees. We are like busy bees, keeping on working, working, working. The ultimate is to reach success, to earn. That has to be, when you keep yourself busy, then only you can earn to survive. The the reflection of this busy is nothing to survive. But just allocate some time, fetch some time with the family members, especially with the children. especially with the children. When the children feels that you are spending some time, you can spend some time with them, at the time they feel secured. Yes, my parents are with us. Okay, there is no scope of loneliness to the children. Okay, the insecurity for the children when you spend some time with your children. Obviously, so, spend some time with your parents also. If you have parents with you, spend some time with not hours together, at least few minutes. Being a busy person, being in the busy schedules, okay, I'm not saying to have a gossips for more hours, but at least few minutes. Okay, just in a 24 hours schedule, we work we work for 18 hours. Every person is working for 18 hours, sometimes to 19 hours also. Okay, but in that total 18 hours of schedule, fetch a few minutes with your family. It shows that you care much for your family. So time allocation is very must in the family. What we say in the family bondage, your time allocation is very must. And next one is role model. You are the role model for your children. So always concentrate and be cautious of what you do, what you speak, and how well you concentrate your duties and responsibilities. Children learn basically everything from their parents and family members. Okay, so a role model. What is role model? Role model is the person who serve as an example. A role model is like it is like an example person of example by influencing others. This the person who is said to be as a role model, that person influence others. Okay, for many children, the most important role model are their parents. The maximum to maximum, every child, they see their role model in their parents itself only. So that's why always be concentrate and be cautious with when you are with your children. Okay, do not show your emotions to them, do not show your anger towards them. Okay. Loving and caring, your love, your care, that only will reflect your love and your care reflects your inner feelings. Okay, so show the young people how to live with integrity. What is the role model? The ultimate result of role model is showing the people in the sense the youth, the youngsters, how to live with integrity and hope, determination and compassion. How to live with the love and passion, how to compassionate with each other, how to care with each other. Okay, so these all are the responsibilities of a role model person, a person to be said as role model. These are the responsibilities, these are observed in a person who is said as a role model. So that's why if obviously in the family, children, they find them their parents as role models. So always the parents should teach them this integrity, these social values, these fundamental values. These all, no need of sitting, just as I said, no need of sitting for hours and hours. The way you behave with them, the way you treat them, the way you move with them, obviously it reflects to the children. So there is no need of taking long lectures, or no need of fetching long hours with them. Okay, your movements and your communication, your behavior are more enough for the children to learn. So someone others look to as a good example, someone who is worthy of imitation. Okay, that's what I said. Role model is someone that is who look as a good example. Role model means, yes, and they imitate, children just imitate. We can see the children imitate their teachers, favorite teachers, they imitate their teachers. In the same way, the children, they follow parents only. So parents should be more and more conscious with the children, when they are moving with the children, when they are spending time with the children. So it is someone who is always positive. Okay, being a role model, you must be always very positive, calm and confident. So then when you develop all these skills, those are only developed reflected to the children, and children also develop the same thing. So obviously they are admired by the people. Obviously the children, they are, because being a children, they are identified by their parents. Children are identified by their parents. So obviously when you are very determined, very disciplined, and very confident, and very admired, okay, then only your children are identified with the same.